Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create corporate branding materials in Canva from scratch using a clean and professional workflow in 2026. Corporate branding is all about consistency. Whether you're designing for a company, a startup, or a business client, everything needs to look polished, aligned, and trustworthy. So yeah, let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. If you're using Canva Pro, that's even better because it gives you access to brand kits, premium templates, and advanced export options. Once you're inside Canva, think about the core branding materials you need. This usually includes things like business cards, letterheads, presentations, social media posts, proposals, and company profiles. Start by setting up the brand identity. Upload the company logo, choose brand colors, and select fonts that match the business style. Yeah, this step matters a lot because everything you design later will follow these elements. If you're using Canva Pro, open the brand section and create a brand kit. Add the logo, color palette, and fonts there. This allows Canva to automatically apply the brand look across all designs. Now, move on to templates. Search for professional or corporate templates inside Canva. Choose layouts that are clean, minimal, and business-focused. Avoid overly playful or decorative designs unless the brand requires it. When editing a template, replace all text with the company's real information. Adjust font sizes, spacing, and alignment to keep everything readable and balanced. Yeah, white space is your friend in corporate design. For presentations and documents, keep slides consistent. Use the same heading style, color accents, and layout patterns throughout. This makes the brand look strong and well organized. Next, design supporting materials like email headers, social media graphics, or internal documents. Because your brand colors and fonts are already set, Canva keeps everything visually consistent. Before exporting, always double-check alignment, spelling, and logo placement. Small mistakes can make a corporate design look unprofessional. When exporting, choose the correct format. Use PDF for print materials, PNG or JPG for digital assets, and presentation mode for slides. Yeah, exporting correctly ensures quality stays intact. This entire process helps businesses maintain a strong, recognizable brand presence without hiring a large design team. That's why Canva is such a powerful tool for corporate branding. So yeah, that's how you create professional corporate branding materials in Canva in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Canva and design tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.